Hey everybody. I'm gonna be making a take off my makeup with me kind of video, I guess. I use micellar cleansing water and cotton pad. It's a very simple, quick video. I had black lipstick on, but it just comes off throughout the day, honestly. So that's already like basically gone. But I did have black lipstick and a lip gloss on. And this is just how my makeup looks by the end of the day. And it's very simple. I just do this. Wow. I still make sure I like wipe everywhere, even if it looks gone. Because just because it looks gone doesn't mean it is. I use the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. So I gotta make sure to always rub the brows. Wow. I know some people like to see that. I've heard. So there you go. And I use depends on how much makeup I do. I use 1 to like 3 of these cotton pads unless they break apart. These ones kind of suck. These are not the ones I like, but I have them, so I'm using them. But I don't recommend these. There's these really good round cotton pads that I like. I should get reusable ones though, which I always forget about. People say there's reusable cotton pads. They're really good. Awesome. Mm, okay. Quite simple. Boom. And this is literally the fastest video I've ever made. But this is literally it. So thank you for watching and bye.